Hey everyone, just wanted to show you the Mk42 build. Here you see the completed chest piece and the shoulders that I printed separately. Now the design looks like this coming out of Do3D, and you know, it looks great, and even when you like mesh it together it looks good, but you realize there's conflicting parts. So if you look over here, this is supposed to meet up nicely right in there somehow, and it just doesn't fit. Now if you look at this design I found on a website, you can see how clean that looks. It's supposed to just match right up, but here it just, I mean, these aren't 3D parts. They actually have to interact with each other. So what I had to do, unfortunately, is cut off some. It's still never going to look right until I actually drill out the other side, but that's the best I can get with what I already have done, and it's not going to look super great. I'm going to have to figure out how to attach it, but it's just like you pay a couple $100 for some files and you expect that it to kind of fit together in a certain way instead of these just weird triangles thrown up everywhere. So I'm going to cut these off, cut this side off to match that, and then figure out a system for it to meet up, and then I can actually hang this on the mannequin. So let's see what happens when I do that. See ya. Okay, well, I sawed off this side here too with the pocket knife, pretty much equal, and I did the little corner right here. So let's see how that looks now. I think I can get away with that. I might have to take a little bit more off, but I think we're almost there. You know, I expected a little bit of work, but not actual cutting off hours of print, you know, to make it fit. So if you do get a file from anywhere, make sure that it actually looks good and return it as soon as you can. So inspect those files as quickly as you can and make sure that they actually work together. Okay, so just a little bit more. I do have it mocked up, and you can see it's a pretty decent fit. I'm gonna have to be strapped into this thing, so I gotta figure out buckling, but you can see just a little gap right there now how it looks. So check those corners, everybody. Make sure that the pieces actually lock together somehow. All right, hope you guys are learning from my mistakes. See ya.